My name is Kirti Raj. I am from Kyanagar. I am studying in first public school, CBSE 8th standard. Kunchur. Today I am going to show an activity about windmill. Before showing this activity, I am going to say a few words about air. Air is an inexhaustible source of energy. Air is very important for every living thing and organism. Air is an inexhaustible source of energy. Now, air is a mixture of some gases. That is carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. like dust particles and water vapor. Now I will show my activity. I said personally, air is an inexhaustible source of energy. When the air comes and hit to the windmill arm, it will rotate faster. When it will be connected to the generator, it will produce electricity. Windmill is used for many activities like producing electricity and lifting the water. This type of electricity is produced more in mountains and coastal regions. This type of electricity will save water. Without water, we can produce electricity by this windmill. This type of windmill electricity is produced more in Norway, UK, and etc. In India, we will produce electricity